My name is Gianna Kimpek, and I'm from the Miss Sturt's pre-AP class, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this origami flower. The first thing you need to do is fold the paper in half, like this, corner to corner. I suggest that you run your fingernail along the crease like this, just so that it's nice and sharp. You're going to unfold it and fold it corner to corner the other way. Alright. So when you open it up, there should be a crease here and a crease there. So it looks like a plus sign. And you're going to flip the paper over and go from this corner up here. So it should look like a triangle, and then you unfold it. So right now we have a fold going this way, and a fold going up here and up here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push down, and you see how the paper automatically bends like that? You're just going to collapse it like that. There, good. Now that the paper is like this, you're going to take this corner and fold it up here. And make sure to take all the layers. And for this one, I wouldn't bend as hard down on it, just kind of more of a gentle crease. Once you do that, you're going to, as you notice, this is the open side and this is the closed side. Fold this closed tip into the middle. Now that that's done, you're just going to unfold everything, so it's back to being a flat sheet of paper. Now this is probably going to be the hardest part, but what you need to do is, so on these, there's a square formed by the fold that we just did. You're going to fold back on it and just make it sharp. You got to be very careful just so that you don't accidentally fold the whole sheet, just along these creases. Just like that. Now this is the second hardest part. You're going to take those folds and these folds from here, this what you're going to do is start kind of collapsing it together. Now these, the fold that I just pointed out right here, should just start to naturally collapse into shape, and then you flatten it down. In case you missed that, going back to here, make sure that these folds are crisp, and this fold right here, you're going to just push it into the middle. So now it should form a kind of diamond-like shape. So it looks like this. And I'm going to flip it over and make sure that this part of the line goes to the middle of the paper. Just like that. Now you're going to go onto this side, and this is the first layer. You're going to flip it over just like a book. Just like that. Now you're going to do the same thing that I just showed you, where this line, or this fold, is going to go up to the middle. Now you're going to take the first layer again and fold it back. So it should look like this. Now you're going to flip the paper over and take this line, put it to the middle again. Take this first layer, flip it over, and fold this part back in. So it should look like this right now. You're going to pick it up and open these two flaps. Very carefully though, you don't want to undo any folds right now. And with the other two flaps, you're going to start opening all of these up. So this little part right here, you're just going to start trying to open it and push it down with your finger a little bit. Just there. Now I like to leave it a little bit puffy like this, but you can always just flatten it down if you'd like. Now I'm going to flip this over so it looks like this. And this corner right here, you see how we can lift it? You're going to take it and fold it down. I'd usually look and find the fold that you did for here, but right now I can't find that. So I'm just going to fold it about here. And because these sides will automatically start pushing down, you're just going to collapse it again. And you're going to do the same for the other sides, but it's important to make sure that each crease looks pretty even. So because this is here, your crease should go about here. You don't have to be perfect, but generally, as a rule, this is what you should be doing. Alright, so it should look like this. Now you're going to flip it, so like this. On this side, you're going to take the corner and kind of roll it up a little bit. You can use a pencil to roll it, or you can take it and kind of rub it on the side of your desk, and that will make this softer and curl. You're just going to curl it like that. So on this side, it looks like that. I'm going to do the same for all the other sides. And that is it. That's how you make an origami flower. Thank you for watching.